If you could make one illegal thing legal, what would it be, and why? Make sleeping in cars legal. Having more than 5 dildos in Texas. No particular reason, all the good ones are taken. Pirating any product or goods that the original content owner fails to reasonably provide access to, i.e., downloading or uploading retro game ROMs, TV shows that you can't stream, etc. Kinder eggs. Carrying pepper spray is a form of self-defense in Melbourne. Collecting rainwater. Because YTF should it be illegal to harvest free water from the sky? Punch people directly in the face to harm animals. Self-defense in schools. Possession and use of drugs for one's individual use.